Okay, a short video for new users to Solidworks on how to turn on parts of the screen that may inadvertently be hidden from your view and how to get them back. There's normally a couple ways for each of these, and I'll show it to you. If you look at the left hand side of your screen, you see the feature design tree. If you look right in the middle, there's this little tab kind of sticking out. If you left click on it, you can slide it outside of your view, left click it and slide it back. There's one place to get that if you don't see it. A second and a third is going to be up at the top. Go to View, select it with the right mouse click, go down to User Interface. You can see from this button you can turn on and off a couple different things. This is the Feature Manager design tree. You can select it or deselect it. You see it's highlighted because it's darker gray. I'm going to unselect it and you see it disappeared. I can turn it back on by dragging it out here, or I can go back up to View, User Interface, and turn it back on here. Again, in that same View section, User Interface, you can see that there's a button, or the word F9. That is the button on your keyboard that's a hotkey, a shortcut key that will also turn it on and off. That's probably where it slid off to the screen if you just bumped your keyboard. Same thing with the Command Manager line. You're going to go to the same place. This is the Command Manager line. You're going to go to View, User Interface. This one's called Toolbars, or F10. So if I hit F10, it'll disappear. If I deselect this tool bar, click, it'll disappear. Not there. I'll hit F10 where you can't see it on the screen, and it's right back. Finally, in that same section, you can look at User Interface. Task pane is clicked. You see it showing. There is no hot button key for it, but you could turn it on and off right here. Another thing that often gets turned on and off that's used frequently is this View Heads Up right here. And this is another good example of how to find and turn on and off things on your screen if you don't see them. Go to the top, between the gear icon and this little search window, hit right click, and you can turn things on and off. Command Manager can be turned on in here. The task pane over here can be turned on and off. And here, View Heads Up can be turned on and off. So if I deselect it, it's not there. Back to the top, View Heads Up. Now you see it again. A second place, just to show you that most of these have more than one way to do the same thing, is you can go to View, but instead of User Interface, go to Toolbars. And you can see here, Task Pane and View Heads Up are both selected. That's very similar to when you go up to the top here. So you can turn heads off here as well. Now it's there. View, Toolbars, View Heads Up. Now it's back on. So just a few things that get turned on and off from your view, how to get them back a couple different ways. I hope this helps your drawing. Good luck and take care.